Hello students and welcome to Rishi Computer Education. Today we are going to start with the CSS float properties. So let's start with the float properties. Float property basically specifies that where your elements should be placed in the document or a browser. So for that we'll first write the code. I'm taking one paragraph and dummy content. Okay, now I want to also add image to this, so I'm using img tag. Source I am giving is flower. It's already saved in my folder. Width I am giving is 300 pixel, height of 300 pixel. Okay, first we'll see the output. Here you can see the output of our image and content. Now suppose I want to place my image to the right side of the content. So for that I will use the property called float. Now I want to float the image. So for that I'll first take image img tag and I will write float right. So let's see the output. Here you can see the content has been placed to the left and image is placed to the right. By default it was placed to left hand side. Next, left you already know. Next value we can take is initial. Initial value means the default value. So default value was this. Next comes inherit. Inherit, here you will not see any difference, but inherit means if it has some parent element and parent element has defined some float property and this is our child element. So if the child element uses the property value inherit, it inherits all the appearance of parent element same in child element. So this is the work of inherit. With this we end up the session. Thank you.